Meet Jaden. Jaden has recently become debt-free. He had a tough time a couple of years ago when he got married, but then lost his job, all in the space of a few months, and ended up with some serious debt. He then contacted Step Change, a free debt advice charity, and they helped him sort out a DMP. After he lost his job, they contacted his creditors for him to manage his debt, and he's been with them for just over 3 years now. He now repays the debts he owes by a set amount each month. The plan actually ended last month, but he hasn't seen any improvements to his score yet. He's not taken out any new credit since and has no other credit cards other than Bits because of the issues he's had with not being able to pay them back in the past. And the only other line of credit he has is a mobile phone contract, which he got in the last couple of months. The main piece of advice I can give to Jaden is to wait it out, basically. He's cleared his debt, which is amazing, but the impact of it is still hanging around his credit score. Once his DMP is reported as finished in the next couple of months, he should see a massive increase in his score. For the best chance at getting a good mortgage, he really needs to have put at least 2 years between himself and his DMP. Mortgage lenders tend to only look at the last 2 years on your file, so he's actually in the perfect position to spend the next 2 years creating a good-looking credit file. He should aim to have a credit card, a mobile contract in his name, and energy bills in his name, because these are all good types of credit to see on your file. He made a good start by signing up to Bits, and he's also got a mobile contract. If he can get his name on his energy bills, then that would be even better. But basically, he just needs to show stability now. An easy mistake to make would actually be to take out lots of new credit to show that he can handle it. But to be honest, the 3 I mentioned already are all that he really needs, and the important part is then making consistent payments to these and not getting into any more debt. Even taking out a credit building loan might be a risk, because due to GDPR rules, lenders can't see what the loan was for on his credit file, so if they see a loan, they might interpret that as him needing money and would then see him as a risk to lend to. So stick to the 3 I mentioned before. And please remember that this is not financial advice and you shouldn't rely on it to make any financial decision.